fellow toastmasters and competitors. Now that you've won your district contest, does that mean you can just relax and do nothing? Nope. Right now is the time for you to get busy on working that finals speech. I don't want you to ever think, well, I may not make it or whatever. No, 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 no. The reason why I'm saying no is because what if? What if this is your year? What if you're moving forward after the regional video contest because they saw something special in what you had to say? This is the time for you to maximize your time that you have until August, where the World Championship of Public Speaking takes place virtually in August once again. Don't don't sit back. Don't relax. Don't let your guard down. Do not let your momentum slow down. This is your time. This is your time to push forward. Keep chipping away at that awesome speech, that final speech. And let's just say you do get to the finals. Let's say you do not get to the finals. Whichever happens, guess what? This speech can be utilized next year. Or the speech that you use to win district, you can continue to chip away at it and strengthen that speech even more. So this is not the time to relax. This is the time for you to wait for the results. But while you're waiting for the results of the regional video submission, this is your time to get busy practicing your speech at your clubs, at clubs around the world, because we're still virtual. Take advantage of that, and you will get awesome feedback from people from different countries. And the fact that Toastmasters is global, you'll get the best feedback from all of your fellow Toastmasters, no matter what country they're in. And you get to utilize a different point of view. Now, if they give you the same response as whatever country you are located in right now, and a different country gives you the same response as your local country, you're doing something right, because you've hit a heartstring, you've pulled on a heartstring, you've hit something that made them think, you've hit something that made them say, hey, that's a great idea, or that's a great thought. So with that said, keep busy, keep fighting forward, keep practicing. And I don't mean practice like, okay, today we're going to be doing a speech. Okay, today we're going to be doing a speech. Not that kind of practice. Make sure when you practice with purpose. Make sure your delivery has to do with the emotion you're trying to evoke in the first place. Also, make sure when you do practice, you don't always practice the same way. Otherwise, by the time you get to the competition, here's you when you're practicing. By the time you get to the competition, you're so sick of it, it drops down and your performance is no longer as authentic as it was. It now becomes robotic. So just keep practicing and keep pushing forward. I'm going to keep repeating that because you're going to need to push forward. 3 months, 2 months is not enough time to get together a powerful speech without practice. You can't just wing it. When you get on that world stage, they need to see that this person is the champion. This person is super duper prepared. They did not take their time for granted. Looking forward to seeing you on that final stage. Until then, it's Ricky with Breaking Your Barriers, coming to you with another tip for those waiting for the results of the regional video finals. See you guys.